to my channel. So for today I have this look for you guys, a very summery glam look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe down there to my channel, and yeah. So today I feel like doing a colorful summery look. I have been watching a couple of my older makeup videos. I haven't done a makeup tutorial or a makeup video related since like October. So I was watching some of my old videos and I was like, whoa, I really changed how I do my makeup now in like a couple of months. I'm gonna be starting off with my eyebrows. I usually like to start off with my eyebrows and then go to my eyes and then my face. So start with the brows. Okay, so for eyebrows, I'm using the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit. So to do my brows, I just go here and I line the pencil with my nose, and there we go, I marked it. That's where my brow is supposed to start. Okay, that's a huge line, but we know what we're going with. Go here, like in the corner of my eye and my nose, and that's where my eyebrow is supposed to end. And now I just outline my brow underneath and up, and then I blend it all in and filling my brow. So once I'm done filling out my eyebrows, I feel like I went a little bit over. So I'm just gonna use some concealer. I'm using the Infallible Full Wear Concealer from L'Oreal. And I'm just gonna carve out my brow underneath, and I'm gonna use this as my lip primer too. I'm gonna take a little break from my eyes and apply some moisturizer on my face because my face is so dry right now. The one I've been using right now is the oil-free acne moisturizer from Neutrogena. My skin has been trying to kill me for the past 2 months. My skin's just been... Okay, so back to the eyes. I'm not going to set my concealer with any powders, because if I set my lids with any sort of powder, it's not gonna grab on my shadow as much as I want it to. Be using the Huda Electric Obsessions palette, corally shade right here, this orangey color, and I'm just gonna coat my brush. Since I want to do like orangey, corally, yellow, red tones on my eyes, I'm just going to start with this one as my base color and pack it on there. So I'm gonna keep it pretty low. I'm not gonna bring it up so high into the crease. The reason I like to do my eyeshadow first is because if I have any sort of fallout, it's easy to clean up because I have no foundation on my skin, and I'm not ruining any product that I applied on my skin, and I'm not losing any product. So now I'm gonna be using a clean brush, and I'm gonna start blending out this little edge here. I'm gonna grab with that same brush a little bit more product and make it a bit stronger, the color. So now I'm going to be using another shade to blend out this little corally color on my crease. I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate palette in Warm Rust, and I'm going to be using this little peachy corally color it has here. And I'm just going to lightly add some color to that and start blending out the coral shade. So this next color I'm going to be using is back from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to be using the yellow one, and that's going to be in the most outer edge of all of these peach colors. So to me, this is a part I can really go back and forth with colors. I'm going to go back into that last shade I used and mix it a bit higher in with the yellow and kind of blend that out so I can have a seamless blend how I want it to be, all smoked out and pretty. So I'm gonna be going back to that color, probably going back into the Huda Beauty one too, to kind of like bring it up higher and blend it out even more. Okay, so now to deepen up my crease, I am going to be using the NYX Ultimate Edit palette in the shade Phoenix. In the shade, the Phoenix one. I was dying to get a red shadow and I saw it and I was like, taking it. So bought this for the red shadow. So once I added all of that red, I'm going to be adding a deeper shade into my outer V to finish off my crease. So I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Little matte for matte eyeshadow palette in the shade, why do I keep saying shade? The palette Jewel Pop, and I'm going to be using this dark color right here. It's just a little packed brush, and I'm gonna be packing this on in my outer V. And I'm just gonna blend out the edges. So now I'm going to be grabbing the one I used for the red and blend it all out. I am going to be cutting my crease in here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to be going back with that same concealer I used to prime my lids. So I'm going to grab some of that concealer, and I'm just going to put a little blob there. I'm just going to grab a flat brush. I am just going to spread it out pretty lowly. Not cutting the crease yet. I'm just gonna spread it out down here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is open up my eyes as big as I can. And I kind of like lowering my brows in. There you go. Once you lower your eye, see it kind of marked where you have to cut your crease. So I'm just gonna follow that. And what I like to do is with what's left of the product on my brush, I just tap it out in the edges. Okay, so once I cut both my creases, I'm just going to apply my lip color. The one I'm going to be putting on in here. I'm not going to set this or anything. I'm just going to technically set it with the color I'm going to be applying. This yellow from the Huda Beauty palette, and from the NYX Love You So Mushy Electric Pastels, I'm going to be using some of this yellow too. So let's see how I kind of do this. Brush, I'm just gonna pack on some of that shade from Huda. So I kind of left a line there, and there I'm going to be applying this other yellow. So I'm grabbing some of the red shade in my brush. I'm gonna blend it out in an angle. I'm gonna use a little bit of this color right here, and I'll blend it out even more. I'm gonna be doing a cat eye, and I'm gonna be using, I believe this is from Ciate. It's the Starstruck limited edition eyeliner, and it has this little star stamp and eyeliner, so I'm gonna be using the eyeliner on this. So now we're gonna go onto the face, and before I go onto the face, I'm gonna clean up all of this. So I'm just going to be grabbing a little bit of eye makeup remover and a little cotton round, and I'm just going to fold it in half, and on that edge I'm just going to add a little bit of the product. I'm going to be start priming my face. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect Pro Primer. So the foundation I've been using lately is the Super Stay foundation from Maybelline. It's so good. I love this foundation. It's up to 24-hour coverage. It's so good. It doesn't feel too heavy. It doesn't leave me feeling all dry and matte. Kind of covered it up all, so go buy it. It's really good. I used to use this stick a lot, and I still do till this day. I'm almost out of it. I still have like the little butt of it here. I love this product. This is the Fit Me Stick Foundation in the shade Coconut. We are doing this huge trip, me and my family. We're gonna go on a road trip again on the RV like we did last summer, but this time we're having so many new stops, and we're gonna be doing so many fun things. And yeah, so I pray that I do film all of it, and that I give you guys good content all summer and give you really good summer vlogs. I'm gonna try and pre-film a lot of makeup looks, so I can do like a vlog makeup, and don't have my channel turn into full vlogs, which lately that's what it looks like, just a vlog channel. But no, I want to do vlogs and makeup, so I'm gonna try and do that for you guys. I know I haven't been very active with my last video. Well, my last video was actually a vlog that I posted, but previous to that, I haven't been uploading like in 4 months. But it's because, well, I don't know if you guys know, I just graduated from high school. I literally graduated high school last week. I mean, this video, it's gonna probably be like 2-3 weeks maybe, but currently it was last week that I graduated from high school. And well, with all the finals and prom and graduation and everything, honestly, I could barely sleep or do anything. I tried to be creative and do other stuff, but honestly, it was just almost impossible. I would try to sneak in a couple of like makeup looks in my Instagram. That's why I haven't been active for like 4 months, and now I'm active because I'm in summer. I'm not doing anything. Instead of being lazy, I'm being, you know, responsible and active and creative with my YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna do my nose contour with a cream now. So what I do is I just grab this little edge of the brush like that, and I kind of clean it up a bit in the back of my hand because I don't want it to be too harsh. And I go here on the edge. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with my concealer and highlighting all my face. This is the Super Stay Better Skin Concealer from Maybelline. I love this concealer. This is the third one I go through of these. With the other concealer is I grab it and a little dot of it I add it here in the inner corners to highlight even more. Here on my cupid's bow and the center of my chest. And center of the forehead. Not my nose, I don't want to touch my nose with this one. So I just leave it at like that. Once I blended everything out, I'm going to set my face. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. For baking, I'm using the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Okay, so I'm baking right now, and I'm just gonna bronze up my cheeks a bit more while that bakes. I'm gonna be doing my under eyes. I'm basically going to be doing like the same colors I did on my crease, but on my lower left. Okay, so I'm going to apply some black liner on my waterline. I'm just using the Clio Professional Gel Prezzo Waterproof Pencil Gel Liner in gold and black. It's my favorite. It's black liner with gold I was going to say freckles, oh my god. Gold flecks on it, and it looks so pretty. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and pop in some mascara off camera. I'll be right back with you guys. I don't feel like putting lashes on today, honestly. I'd rather be without wearing falsies because I just don't like them, honestly. I don't like wearing falsies. I feel like I have curtains on my eyes, and it's not that they feel uncomfortable, it's just I feel like I have a weight on my eyes. I just can't. I'm like very meticulous with my eyes. I just can't have lashes on. I wear them for pictures, it's fun. They look great, but I just... Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. And I'm going to be using this orangey shade here. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Love You So Mochi highlighters. These are the Lit Life ones. I'm going to be using the gold in the center as my highlighter. I'm using this Real Techniques brush. This is such a beautiful highlighter. I love it so much. Oh my god, yes. Okay, for lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Super Clicky. I don't know how you pronounce this, but this one's in the shade Oh So Pretty. And I'm going to be using a lip brush first to line my lips. Okay guys, so this is the final look, how it turned out. I am really happy how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. Please like this video and subscribe down there to my channel if you love this look. And yeah, comment down below what other type of look you would like to see. If you want to see a tutorial on. another talk through video like this one. I know I talked a lot. This is probably gonna be a very long video. Yeah, love you guys. Bye.